I'm Justin Mullins, and this is the Freakin' News. Elon Musk, the world's richest man, has completed his $44 billion takeover of Twitter. Mr. Musk tweeted, "The bird is freed," and later said, "Let the good times roll." A number of top executives, including the CEO, have reportedly been fired. The completion of the deal brings to an end months of legal wrangling, but it has prompted questions over the platform's future direction. A filing was made with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday, confirming the takeover. With your Freakin' News report, I am Justin Mullins. Have a great freaking day.